In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 best manual coffee grinder available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality, features, and values. Manual coffee grinder is a hand-powered device used to grind coffee beans. It typically consists of a grinding mechanism often made of ceramic or steel burrs, a handle to turn the mechanism, and a container for storing the ground coffee. Manual grinders are favored for their simplicity, portability, and the ability to customize the grind size to suit different brewing methods like espresso, pour-over, or French press. So let's find out. Number 5. It is a fantastic product on our list. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed at any time. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 4. This product has excellent quality. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed at any time. If you want more information about this product, please check description box. Number 3. The quality of this product is very good. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed at any time. Number 2. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed at any time. Number 1. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price can be changed at any time. Thanks for watching.